How to Paint a Portrait in Watercolor. Video by Vladimir London. In this video, I will show you how to make a mixed media artwork by using the wash and outline method. For outlining in pen and ink, I will be using a Lamy pen and Pelikan Brown ink 4001. I have to say that if you want to try the wash and outline method, you don't have to buy any fountain pens or special inks. It just happens that I have this particular pen. Instead, you can use any drawing medium of your choice. It could be pen and ink, or maybe graphite or colored pencils. Ball pen, gel pens, black or colored markers, or whatever you like. As the name of the wash and outline method suggests, this method consists of two steps. First, an artwork has to be done in watercolor, and I showed you various painting techniques in the previous videos. And the final step is outlining the design using the drawing medium of your choice. Such a method can make or break an artwork. You have to plan it beforehand, because if you overdo the watercolor part of this method, the pen or pencil lines on top of colorful layers might look redundant. That is why I left the watercolor artwork a bit unfinished. The colors are bright but light, and the chiaroscuro contrast is quite soft. This gives me room for outlining the design. The outlining process is rather simple. All I have to do is repeat some outlines in pen. There are several things you need to keep in mind when using the wash and outline method. First of all, it is better to go a little bit lighter with colors than you would do otherwise. Secondly, you have to decide on the color of the outlines. Also, you may want to vary the thickness of lines. Some lines you'll make slimmer and others bolder. It is very important to stop outlining just before you think the artwork is completed. It is better to stop drawing before the artwork is fully finished than overdo it. Leaving an artwork slightly unfinished gives an opportunity to a viewer to become a co-creator and to complete your work in their mind. Because the fountain pen is not flexible enough to give variable widths of lines, I will use another pen with a wider nib to make some lines bolder while leaving other lines slimmer. The girl's portrait will be outlined in bolder pen strokes. This will suggest the atmospheric perspective. According to this perspective, objects that are closer to a viewer should appear with a greater contrast and be depicted in bolder lines. This will visually bring foreground objects closer to a viewer. I'm using brown ink because it fits well with the warm color of the girl's hair and the background colors. I hope that you found this video helpful in learning several watercolor painting methods and techniques. To learn how to paint in watercolor the professional way, you can enroll in one of the Watercolor Academy courses. In the online course, you will discover all you need to know about watercolor painting by watching 80 video lessons on painting methods and techniques, color theory, golden proportions, rules of composition, and many know-hows of watercolor painting that are not taught at contemporary art colleges. And if you want to become a professional watercolor painter, the best way would be to take the personal tutoring course and receive unlimited one-to-one personal guidance from professional fine artists and art teachers. To see if the Watercolor Academy is right for you, you can check out free video lessons from the online course. The free demo videos are available on this page. The link to this page is also provided in the description below. Here is the finished artwork, which was done in various painting methods and techniques and finished with outline on top of washes. To improve your painting skills, take the Watercolor Academy course. I'll see you after you enroll.